2 harmful vitamins that weaken your legs after 60. If you are feeling your legs grow weaker, stiffer, or more tired, what if 2 harmless vitamins you're taking could actually be secretly draining your leg strength? Stick around, because in the next few minutes you'll learn exactly which supplements to ditch, why they're doing more harm than good, and how to protect your muscles and bones so you stay strong for years to come. Hey everyone, welcome back to Prime Vitality. If you're new here, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss our weekly health hacks. Today we're zeroing in on 2 fat-soluble, vitamin A and vitamin E, that in high doses can interfere with muscle repair, bone density, and balance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why these supplements can do more harm than good after age 60, how to adjust your intake safely, and which healthier alternatives will keep your legs solid and steady. Ready? Let's dive in. Number 1. Vitamin E, when antioxidant becomes a problem. What vitamin E does? In food form nuts, seeds, leafy greens, vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. Many seniors take high-dose capsules, 200 international units or more, thinking more is better. How excess vitamin E weakens your legs. 1. Slows muscle repair. Synthetic vitamin E can blunt the oxidative signals that trigger muscle building after exercise, leaving you sorer and weaker. 2. Thins the blood. High doses reduce clotting ability, which may worsen circulation issues in the legs and increase bruising or bleeding risk. Have you ever taken high-dose vitamin E? Answer in the comments yes or no. Studies show supplemental vitamin E above recommended levels can impair the very muscle adaptations seniors need to stay strong. Action step: check your supplement label if it's above 200 international units. It's time to reconsider. Number 2. Vitamin A, the invisible bone gremlin. Essential for vision, immunity, and cell growth. Found naturally in carrots, sweet potatoes, and leafy greens. Synthetic retinol in many multivitamins often provides 2,000 to 5,000 international units daily, far exceeding the 900 international units recommended dietary allowance for adults. How too much vitamin A breaks down your legs. 1. Blocks vitamin D and calcium. Excess vitamin A competes for absorption, undermining the nutrients you need for bone mineral density and muscle contraction. 2. Increases fracture risk. Long-term high intake is linked to brittle bones and hip fractures. Exactly what you don't want when you need stable legs. Comment below, do you read your multivitamin label? Smart swaps and safety guidelines. Replace supplements with food sources. Vitamin E. Aim for a small handful of almonds or sunflower seeds daily instead of a capsule. Vitamin A. Get your beta-carotene from colorful vegetables, carrots, red peppers, and spinach so your body converts only what it needs. Optimize your diet for leg strength. Vitamin D and calcium, 15 minutes of midday sun, plus dairy or fortified plant milk. Magnesium and protein, pumpkin seeds, fish, lean meats, or plant-based proteins help muscle contraction and repair. Daily movement and habit hack. 1. Gentle resistance exercises, chair squats, wall push-ups, resistance band leg extensions, just 10 to 15 minutes a day. 2. Balance drills, heel-to-toe walks, single leg stands supercharge your stability in under 5 minutes. Today's leg strength routine: food plus sun plus 15 minutes exercise plus balance drill. Quick recap: ditch high-dose vitamin E capsules and synthetic vitamin A in your multivitamin. Instead, get these micronutrients from real foods, nuts, seeds, and colorful veggies, and focus on vitamin D, calcium, and magnesium to support your muscles and bones. Always check with your healthcare provider before starting any supplement plan, especially if you're on medications. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like and subscribe for more science-backed health advice. Share in the comments, which swap will you make first? Almonds instead of E capsules, or carrots instead of extra A? I can't wait to hear your answers.